Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm on Royal Caribbean's Oasis of the Seas. We're here on deck 6, inside the schooner bar. Check it out. You know, don't want to go dry, don't want to get thirsty. Of course, there's a bar. Get your favorite beverages here at the schooner bar. And as you can see, it's schooner themed. It's like an old schooner, a tall ship. They got a piano here. They have performers in here every night. Even do trivia during the day. Lots of fun games. It's really weird. They even have schooner smells in here. And it sounds weird, but yeah, like an old sailing ship. Across the ways, it's the Focus Photo Gallery, where you can see all the photos the wonderful ship photographers have taken of you. Focus Photo Gallery. Alright, they got the fountains going there underneath the rising tide. Sorry about all the noise. Off to our right side is Next Cruise, where of course you can book your next cruise. There they are, ready to book your next cruise. Shore Excursions booth is up ahead. Yeah, if you need to go on a shore excursion, these guys will help you out. There's the entrance to the Focus Photo Gallery. And here we are. The fountains. The fountains are here. Oh, they just shut off. Are below the rising tide, which happens to be all the way up there at deck 8. Alright, let's head down the stairs. Oh, there's the fountains go again. Alright, here we are at the Bionic Bar. Bionic Bar is just like any other bar except for the fact that the bartenders are robots. These robots here will mix up your favorite beverage so you don't get thirsty. It's really cool to watch them work. Get all your drinks up there that these two robot bartenders will serve you. Pretty neat. Alright. Here on deck 5 we got the port shopping desk. Got the Voom, that's the internet on board. That's our help desk here. Got jewelry stores. Alright, let's head out this way. Across the ways here to our left, that's the guest services booth. Have any issues, they'll take care of you. Cafe Promenade. There's another jewelry store here on our right. And of course, the car. Got a classic car here on the Promenade. Right there, Cafe Promenade, right behind them. Can't forget everyone's favorite, Sorrento's Pizza. They got that here. And there's an English pub called the Globe and Atlas. Right over here. Yeah, don't get thirsty on a cruise ship. If you do, it's your own fault. And over here, these guys sitting up here. Yeah, this is the old Project Genesis. That's the code name they used for the Oasis class ships. They're removing it. Well, one guy is, and 2 watching. There's a Crown and Anchor shop here, where you get all your logo gear, your souvenirs. Shops, and more shops. More shops. All kinds of fun stuff. Over on the right side is Boleros, a Latin-themed place. Get Latin music in there. All right. Whew. And check this out. There's a Starbucks on board. An actual Starbucks. Oh. Alright. There is so much going on. Whoa. So much going on a cruise ship. Alright. Looks like the doors to the theater are open. Let's take a peek. Alright. Let's go in the theater. It looks like they're doing drills in here, so I can't really go in, but I'm going to show you real quickly. This is the balcony of the main theater. All right. Don't want to bother them. Let's get out of here. All right. This looks like a good place to end this video. Hopefully you like this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.